Hey, Jenny Rosengren here from thousandbeliefs.com, formerly myperfectionhealing.org. It's been a long time since I've made any videos. I've had a lot going on with my family, and past couple years had a new baby, and now he's like 2.5. And if you've seen things from me lately, I've really been trying to get body-based mindfulnesscourses.com out there. These are classes that are taught by my husband. And he's a psychologist with several years of training, obviously, and all kinds of different trauma work and pediatric work with kids for emotional, behavioral issues and all that kind of stuff. So the biggest question that I am asked, bar none, is how do I release positive and negative beliefs, and I don't want to release the positive ones, right? How do I replace the negative beliefs with the positive beliefs, and how do I let go of the negative beliefs? And the answer that I have is I use body-based mindfulness. And it's kind of a culmination of all of the years of experience of my husband and myself. And I don't want anyone to think that we are in any way discounting the methods that you use right now, because I know like emotion code and body code and EFT are incredibly powerful. And what body-based mindfulness is just, it's working with the body, and then you add that in addition to what you already do. So for example, a lot of the benefit and the great thing about emotion code and body code is you can help people by releasing for them distantly. But as I learned more about the body and the body's sensations and how it reacts to different triggers and the fight or flight response, that is all incorporated into who we are. We have to live in our bodies. It's not just in our head. So a lot of people are like, just change your thought, change your beliefs. Well, for some people, that's effective. And for some people, it's not. And the reason why is because their body's not being incorporated into that, and their body has different reactions, different sensations to those beliefs when they're trying to put them in. And I found that the more that I worked with people, the more we had to deal with those physical sensations and even movements that may have come from a traumatic experience. And so when I would release for people distantly, I knew that they weren't getting the full, complete package of healing, because they weren't processing through those important sensations. So maybe the work that I was doing wasn't, it might help alleviate what I think of as steam, like in a pressure cooker. At least alleviates some of the pressure so their life is a little bit better, but it doesn't bring real core body work that is healing and lasting to bring their nervous system calming, to bring some calming to their nervous system. So body-based mindfulness is an approach that you can, once you learn about it and how important it is to how the physical body works, not just how our mind works with our thoughts, but how the nervous system is working. And you can incorporate that into your work, either with yourself or with the people that you work with. It is so powerful. And so that's why I'm trying to get out so much of the body-based mindfulness courses, because it works. It works down to the very level of the physical body and working with those triggers, and it's super gentle. So people who have been through really traumatic events, this is gentle. This is meant to not re-traumatize and to not make it super horrible and painful to go through, and to help you be able to tolerate the sensations and things. So if you're interested, you want to learn more, the website is bodybasedmindfulnesscourses.com. And right now we have a special that if you join our email list, you get $50 off, which would make the 4-week course $149. So we're really trying to make this something that people can afford, and we'll continue to try to run just discounts for people, because we want this to get to as many people as possible, and we want you to be able to incorporate this into your healing businesses. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you later.